Hello students, that day I have explained you this programming regarding method, how we have to create the method. I told you that day that we are having some variables which we have to define, some methods which we have to use, and we have some criteria which we have to show in the program. So I told you about this program, this setup program using if else loop. Now today I am going to describe this program. This is same like the other program which I have made you understood. Define a class salary, describe as below. Data members means what are the variable which we have to declare. We have to declare name, address, phone, subject specification, specialization, monthly salary, and income tax. And what are the methods which we have to use? Except method. Here it was written void except, means clearly it was written that we have to use void except and void display. But here it is written in this format that we have to use except method, except the detail of a teacher including the monthly salary, and to display the detail of the teacher. Means we have to use two methods here, except and display. And to compute the annual salary, tax as 5% of the annual salary above rupees 1,75,000. Means we have to do three things. We have to use three methods. First one is accept, second one is display, third one is compute or calculate. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate income tax. Okay, for this I told you that first of all we need to declare a package. So here we will use import java.io.asterisk semicolon. After every line you need to put a semicolon except class. In the section of class you should not put any semicolon. Semicolon means the line ends here. So we will start class salary, as here given that we have to take a class salary. So after package I told you that we have to initialize a class. Then we will take variables which we have given. Private string t name. Here we have given, we have to take name. Private, public, protected, I told you that these are the access specifier. String t name, I told you the data type, integer, character, string. Integer stores the integer value 0 to 9, character stores alphabetical value A to Z, but string stores value which is combination of integer and character. So t name means name, and then private string t address, then phone number which is integer, you know phone number is numeric, then string subject, then float salary, you know that salary could be in decimal. I told you that float means anything decimal. Tax, then here we have made a class, here we have made a method. Input data, public void input data. That day I have made you understood about how to create a method and how to pass parameters. So these are the parameters: string n, string ad for address, int ph for phone number, string subject, float salary, throws IO exception. This is optional, you can use or you can't use. Then parenthesis we will put here. Then we will assign a variable. This is variable assignment. T name to n, t address to ad, phone to ph. As we have declared the variable here, that's why we are assigning name. Now we need to end the method here. We will initialize another method. As here we have the declaration that we have to use accept and display. So we will use display data. What we have to display? Earlier I told you that system.out.println is used to display a message. Dot 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 means before displaying a message there will be blank line dash 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 dash. System.out.println, another message, name of the teacher, is plus tname. So here the message will come after execution. Whatever name you will provide, means name of the teacher is this, then address is this. Then after that we will provide another message, phone number, system.out.println double quotes phone number equals to double plus phone, means what phone number you have to give. Then subject specialization, what subject you have to give. And monthly salary, what is the monthly salary. Again here we are putting dash dash dash, means to end the message properly. Now we have seen that we have to use another method, which is compute. Compute means calculate. What we have to calculate? Total salary. Float total salary means total salary is in decimal. Total salary equals to float 12.0 into salary. 12.0 means 12 महीने की सैलरी. सैलरी 12 महीने की सैलरी मीन्स जितनी सैलरी है उसको 12 से डिवाइड करते हैं, मीन्स 12 महीने में कितनी सैलरी होती है टोटल निकालने के लिए. इफ़ टोटल सैलरी ग्रेटर देन 1,75,000, अगर इफ एल्स लूप आई टोल्ड यू, इफ़ टोटल सैलरी ग्रेटर देन 1,75,000, टैक्स क्या होगा? टोटल सैलरी माइनस 1,75,000 इंटू 5/100. फिर मैसेज क्या प्रिंट होगा कि टोटल एनुअल सैलरी इज टोटल सैलरी एंड एनुअल इनकम टैक्स इज प्लस टैक्स. मीन्स जो यहाँ पे निकलेगा वो यहाँ पे मैसेज प्रिंट होगा. एल्स में क्या मैसेज प्रिंट होगा? नो टैक्स अमाउंट ऑन द इनकम. अगर इनकम कम निकला तो उसका कोई टैक्स नहीं होगा, और अगर इनकम ज़्यादा निकला तो उसका टैक्स होगा. दिस इज़ द ऑल प्रोग्राम. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ अ मेथड, हाउ टू यूज़ इट, how to write a method. Thank you.